Oh! Oh! Alright, is my phone fine? Okay. So, this is a setup tour for 2021, and I haven't done a setup tour in quite a while. Like, the last one I think I did was in 2019, but I deleted that video because it was kind of trash, and there was pretty much not a lot of upgrades aside from the SSD, but what you're about to see is pretty cool, so stay tuned for that. Oh, and by the way, if we get a good amount of likes, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't give a fuck. Anywhere between 10 and 20 likes, maybe 15. Yeah, 15. Then I'll do a room tour, but it's kind of messy right now. Also, just a quick disclaimer, I'm not sponsored by anybody. These are just what I bought and what I stole from my parents' wallet, like my mom's wallet too, just to buy this beast of a PC. So yeah, I'm not sponsored by anybody. Once again, just enjoy the video. Alright, so since there's so many stuff to go over, like our upgrades and what I've changed, it's kind of hard for me to start, like where should I start, what should I go over first. But if you're wondering about the bottom, I added some Christmas lights just to add a bit of spice to it, because in the dark it looks a lot nicer, because it just looks so much more plain when it's just dark down there. But yeah, I just added these lights to give it a glowing effect, just to make it look like it's floating, which it already is. Maybe I just want to start off with the shelf first, because I'm pretty impressed by how I arranged it. There's the Red Leader, Kylo Ren, and the Stormtrooper and Clone Trooper. And then there's Luke Skywalker in the middle, just standing. And I also put Darth Vader, Darth Maul, Lando, and all the main Star Wars characters just at the side here. I also have a new neon light, which is shaped as a moon. It looks like a banana, like, you know, yeah, it's about this big. So on the left side, everything remains pretty much the same, except that PC I upgraded. It now has 16 gigs of RAM and a GTX 1050, which that PC, like that graphics card used to be on this PC, but then I just moved it over there. The same monitors from before, 19 inches. Have a crappy ass gaming mouse for only 10 bucks, which I will upgrade. But this keyboard I bought for $20, and it's not mechanical or anything, but it still sounds pretty nice. Like, and it also lights up, it just doesn't change color, but I like it. On the right side is the most exciting part, which I'm about to show you guys. I built this PC for about like 900 Canadian dollars, and would you just love that design? I mean, yes, I could have added cable extensions, which I will maybe in the future. My PC consists of a Ryzen 5 1600 processor and a GTX 1660 Super. And it's a huge step up from the other PC we had earlier, as I can now edit videos smoothly and play games at higher frame rates. In many games such as GTA, Red Dead Redemption 2, Warzone, Counter-Strike, I can now crank up the settings and still get smooth frame rates, unlike my other PC I had before. The monitor, it remains the same, and the keyboard, but I now have a new mouse pad that lights up. It's RGB, and I also have a new black web mouse, because my other mouse was, you know, pretty trash. It was pretty shit. And before wrapping up this video, I also wanted to touch on a few small things here and there. I have these speakers from Blackweb that offers good sound quality and some decent bass as well, because as you know, the speakers I had last time just died out on me. And overall, I think Blackweb is a good brand. It just depends on what you buy. And in my opinion, Blackweb is a pretty underrated brand, as they offer some great value for money products such as keyboards, phone cases, and much more. Also have this Pac-Man lamp, which is nothing special, but it just adds to the room with ambient lighting. Alright guys, so this is the setup for January 2022. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now, there are still some things that I may want to upgrade in the future, but as of right now, I am happy with how it turned out. And I'm very happy with the upgrades because they make the setup look a lot better, as well as providing huge performance improvements over what we had last time. I planned on maybe upgrading the PC on the left side, because the i5-2400 processor, while it's still fairly capable of some light gaming, it's really starting to show its age in 2022, or maybe even get some lighting appliances just to make the setup stand out more. So do let me know if you want to see that. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more content like this, then you can hit the subscribe button just so you will see more videos from me in the future. My name is Lance, and I'm signing out.